Welcome to Fond Emotion. Surprise, surprise. Did you know that according to a study by the University of Georgia, a whopping 70% of couples claim that taking responsibility is the key to a healthy relationship? Yes, you heard it right. Not romance, not money, but responsibility is the magical ingredient that keeps relationships afloat in the long run. So let's dive into this intriguing subject matter that seems to be the secret sauce for a fulfilling relationship life. Dr. Julianne Holt-Lunstad, a renowned psychologist and professor at Brigham Young University, suggests that responsibility in a relationship is about being accountable for one's own actions, feelings, and the overall well-being of the relationship. It's about understanding that you have a role to play, and your actions or inactions can significantly impact the relationship. Now, imagine a relationship where both parties are taking responsibility. They're not playing the blame game or avoiding difficult conversations. Instead, they're stepping up, acknowledging their mistakes, and finding solutions together. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Dr. John Gottman, a world-leading researcher on marital stability and relationship analysis, states that responsibility is a two-way street. It's not just about owning up to your mistakes, but also about understanding and acknowledging your partner's feelings and perspectives. It's about reciprocating the same level of respect and consideration that you expect from your partner. But how does one start taking more responsibility in their relationships? Well, it begins with self-awareness. Understanding your emotions, your triggers, and your responses is the first step towards taking responsibility. It means, instead of blaming your partner for your feelings, you're acknowledging your part in the conflict and looking for ways to resolve it. Remember, taking responsibility in a relationship doesn't mean taking on all the burden. It's not about being the sole problem solver or the caretaker. It's about sharing the load, supporting each other, and working as a team. As Dr. Robert Taby, a seasoned family therapist, rightly puts it, responsibility is about balance. It's about sharing the emotional, mental, and physical load in a relationship. So, think about it. Are you taking enough responsibility in your relationships? Are you being accountable for your actions and feelings? Are you sharing the load, or are you expecting your partner to do all the heavy lifting? Relationships, be it romantic, familial, or platonic, are a vital part of our lives. They bring us joy, comfort, and companionship. But they also require effort, understanding, and yes, responsibility. So start taking more responsibility in your relationships. Step up, own your actions, understand your partner, and work as a team. Because at the end of the day, a relationship is a partnership, a shared journey. And every journey becomes more enjoyable, more fulfilling, when both partners are equally invested, equally responsible. So let's make our relationships stronger, healthier, and more fulfilling by mastering the art of responsibility. And remember, responsibility is not a burden, it's a privilege. It's the privilege of being a part of someone's life, of being able to impact it positively, and of being able to grow and evolve together. So embrace it, master it, and let it make your relationships flourish. Thank you for tuning in. Stay responsible, stay connected,